Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Let's start with your reading right from 19 July till 25th of July 2021, though timeless reading. So may or may not resonate with every one of you at the same time because these are general vibes. Okay, follow me on Instagram SSHELLS Shells Running. Let's begin, okay? Okay, what else? So I have this message of like I was shuffling this particular deck here, Morgan, the mini version, and I had the message. There are two cards that those are out of the deck. The message was like make it clear, okay, or maybe it's make them clear. So whatever right now your situation is, make it clear, like clarify this between you and the other person, or clarify this between you and the situation that you're in, okay? That's what the message is. Then I was shuffling this particular deck here, and one card you got is on target. So I feel like something is in your focus, okay? Either you have achieved it, or it's like 50% or 90%, however it is, or maybe something you know that you need to do right now, and that's why it is coming like make them clear or make it clear. So on target, like it's like something that they want, yes, no. This may be love situation, this may be again career related. Someone is asking you to do something and you have like something is in focus, okay, I have to do it, but then again this is somewhere you are like here and looking at it like on target, I know it, I have to do it. So you need to make them clear whether you are going for that or not, whether you are saying yes or no, okay? Now here is on target, follow your ideal life path. So whatever it is, some of you are actually focusing on that and you have achieved it. Like it's like it surrounds you, something surrounds you, maybe love, maybe career related, your aim, whatever it is, your mission, basically you have achieved it, half of it, or 90% or 80%. It depends upon the percentage or something that you are doing right now. I kind of get this vibe. Also you have the bottom energy of the sun, so there may be a Leo, but this is not from the tarot world though, but it's sun. The golden energy of the sun brings fame and fortune. So maybe some of you are working for fame and fortune, some of you really want to become famous, okay, or you might be working for that. So possible whatever you have achieved till now, or whatever you're looking forward to put in your thing and energy, this is on target. And I feel whatever you are doing is going in alignment, which means again on target, but make them clear. So however you have these cards, they came like this kind of, let's see. So you have the Chariot, which is reverse, and Knight of Rods, which is erect, okay? This is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and the Chariot is a Cancerian. I feel your overall energy is about possible I'm hearing the word punctuality. Possible you just want to be so punctual about something or your work or creativity that you just want to put focus on something. That's why on target, or something is there in front of you that you really want to make it clear with the person. However, this is about your next event or approach, but something is getting delayed here, okay? So this may be something that you're going to try, this may be something that you are planning on. There is definitely some kind of like what the word is, postpone, delay, okay? So maybe it's like cancellation, and then further in the next possible week you're going to decide. Maybe this is the meeting that you need to have with someone, okay? This may be from someone from creative field, maybe you are from creative field. Now creative field can be anything that you are doing right now, but there's also something that you need to clarify this person. I feel the thing that you want, the sentence that you want to hear, the answer that you want to hear, or something, whatever you want to clear with the person, it is not coming because someone is unable to reach you, or conversation is unable to reach to you basically, because I feel there is something that someone is ignoring not to discuss, or is not interested. I also feel like you're going to make them clear. So whatever connection this is, friendship, work, or love matters here, you're going to clear something to someone, okay? That there is, I feel some of you are going to be like, it's not going anywhere. So maybe you're going to take the pause. The pause may depend upon what kind of pause you are going for, because I feel this person is having certain issues, okay? I also feel like they have something on target. Maybe you are on target. Now target can say many things, like they have something that they want from you. Page of Swords energy, they may be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but I feel like if this is somehow your energy or vibe, or if the sign is falling in your chart, that's you can check it. But I kind of get this like someone is ready to hear, like there is a curiosity, there is this curiosity connected, but I feel with this, they're not making a move. Someone over here is not clearing you the stuff, and that's why possible you are going to clear, because make them clear or make it clear goes from both the sides. However, I also kind of feel that you're going to make something clear with the person, okay? Because most probably it's on target and you are looking at it, what they're doing. There is also, for some cases, there may be a triangle. Now, triangle can go for the situations of like someone is involved with someone and is unable to move on with that, okay? So make them clear, okay? Are you in? Are you out of this, okay? So maybe it's a project or something. There is, yes, definitely. Either this is a start or either I'm free. So your energy is about don't go on often travel, or don't drive, okay, fine. Don't drive too much, okay? Something that you are focusing right now in your center, okay, on target. So something that I'm again feeling like whatever you are, if you are your focus right now, which is trying to say just don't ignore it, okay? Ignore in the way, don't take those rides, don't go, don't have that meeting. If it is connected with work or something, or basically don't stress yourself. That's the energy, okay? Whatever the matter is, don't stress yourself. If you can delay it, it's going to be good for you. Let's see. You're going to be over something. There was a Six of Wands energy, but was not the time to call. This is your calling. This is the Tower, okay? The changes, those are happening within within relationship or within any kind of connection that you have with the person. Friendship, again, work or anything. Tower is something that you're supposed to go through, but it is for me an illegal building that should fall, and I feel it's falling. Whatever it is, it's misunderstanding that is going down. It's something, the expectations, I also feel like expectations connected with certain someone here is falling down. It's like coming down. Someone over here is off track, okay? So it's basically make it right or make it clear is coming here, okay? It's off track. Someone is not on that route or is not taking things the way you want to make them understand possible, or the way you feel, or the way you are going through. They are not in that zone with you, okay? There is love and affection, definitely. There is this connection. This may be friendship, this may be anything, any type of connection. This is an overwhelming situation as well. But the problem here is that if it gets late or delayed, because the answer is not coming here, which is supposed to be the change in your life, there is, for some cases, maybe there's push and pull happening between you and this person. Or maybe this is in your present scenario, certain things happening in your relationship if you're already in and you're involved with someone. It does go, because I talked about triangle. Again, there may be an Queen of Rods though, but an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You know this person. You are at cross with this person, and the cross means that you need to decide something or make something clear to someone in order to be with someone, if this is your connection, like you want to be with them. Tower is the change. They're saying Tower is the change. Tower is the change. Tower is the change. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. This may be the cross or crisscross situation or something, and you need to make them clear. Possible this is going to be the energy form of you in the coming time, Virgos, wherein you're going to clarify something. Again, this is something on target. The flourishing ambience, kind of like whether it's going to flow or not, kind of. Or maybe this is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but I kind of get this energy. Look, you're at cross. Look, 12 swords. So maybe this is certain kind of decision. I'm hearing heralding, something that you're going to do, end up doing. I feel the change is going to come here, and in your present, your focus, your target is on the changes. Those are happening in the current relationship or the situation that you are in. It's like, I hear that someone is writing something to someone. It's W. I'm hearing the word W. Possible it's like with due honor, with due respect, with all being said, W, or maybe someone's initial is this, or last letter or first letter, like initials. Or maybe it's about just we. something is going ahead, decision, talk, current connection, but something is going to happen. This is also travel for some of you. Basically it is about, in your future it's about, I'm going to be done, we are done. And then you have in the future energy, it's like the move that was stuck, you're going to make a move here. Basically, again I'm repeating it, this is also the decision that is coming with the Eight of Wands energy. Like this is something connected with unstoppable, because once you're going to be making something clear to someone, of course something is unstoppable. What is? Yeah. What's beyond though? Okay, so you have Four of Cups energy here, which is reversed. Whatever is supposed to come, it's going to come, but it's also pretend zone that's not going to be anymore, which is about you're going to accept one thing in order to release the other, which is making it clear or make them clear. Another thing, you might not be accepting something in this current time frame, and you're going ahead with your own decisions, which is denying, not accepting. Reject word is though a little bit not so nice to say, but again rejection is here. Or just denying, not accepting the offer. So you're making someone clear, love offer or work related. And I feel like you do appreciate what is in the now, and that's why the delays or the fallings will tell you exactly that it was very good for you, that you never ignored what was on target actually. So again, this may be with the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, a certain conversation. What is with Four of Cups reversed? Four of Cups reversed is also death, Scorpio maybe, but again with the death, it is something connected with that. Okay, I do not want this offer, I'm not going with this, because whatever I have to continue with this. And then making them clear, which is about ending something, not expecting something from someone anymore, and going for the rebirth or transition here. Ending certain connection here. Now it depends, what happened and whatever was on target. This is like change in the current relationship status for some of you. So this may be accepting something new or ending something with someone. Okay, let me see. What is that Spurs have for you? What is that Spurs have for you? Look, I have different positions. I feel like something that you are stopping because you feel that it's not going in the right direction. The Chariot reverse, you're stopping either Cancerian or you're stopping. This recording time was 13:13. You're also stopping some argument with someone. The things, those were good, okay? But let's see. What is there for you from the realm? Two of Swords. Did I talk about the cross? You're at cross. Highly recommended. This is also coming. So possible highly recommended is coming for your sake, in order to clarify something. That's what I said. Make them clear, make it clear, or they need to make it clear. You can't be in a linger on situations, especially with the Four of Cups reversed, and especially with things when they are going very fast. It's like, is it in, is it out, kind of. Two of Swords energy is something that you know what is wrong and right, but someone is like not seeing it. Though you have Three of Swords, and I talked about a triangle, and Three of Swords is the case when you need to pull out all the swords at once. You're going to. This is a major decision. That's what are unexpected though, but I feel like you know it. It's like you're going to make them clear, and them comes with other two energies possible, or someone is making you clear. Interesting reading though. Whatever is, you need to clear so that you are light, because you're not going. I also feel you're not taking this visit, you're not going, or you can do it. Now moon, there may be a Piscean, but this moon is all about the concept of emotional talks, also karmic connections or soulmate or twin flame, however you take it as. But with the moon, it's also that it's time to release the other side as well. What's in the future coming? There's going to be emotional time, but whatever is in your mind's on target, happily ever after. So the decisions that you're going to make right in this time frame, whatever you don't take the offer, whatever you go for, what you don't go for, those are going to make you happy, okay? And you're going to be with the right situations, union. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.